Welcome everyone. As promised in the last video, here's the video where I show you what I had in mind and how I choose the cabinet and the building of it. This is the room where the cabinet will go. Right about there. I made an animation of what I had in mind just to see how it would look and work. That's it. Next up, going to IKEA.com and use their designer program to choose and build the cabinet. At first I thought I will have doors cover the whole height of the cabinet, but then I changed my mind and chose smaller doors and then drawers on the upper part, as you can soon see here. Now let's drive to IKEA. IKEA always reminds me of that one scene from the movie Swordfish.
IKEA boy. See, the thing is, they have you put the furniture together yourself.
Okay, let's start putting the stuff together. And now let's go choose the top board from Bauhaus. Let's go back a bit. That's it. I asked if I can take a video of him cutting the board, and he said can't. And this is all I got from that. Next up, the stands for the Vividstorms screen chassis. First we saw the top part. These legs are from IKEA. They were too long, so we had to cut them. That screen just makes the picture quality amazing. And now the door handles. IKEA only had white handles, so I sprayed them black. Turned out pretty nice. All right, let's have a look-see. Turned out pretty much what I had in mind. For more information about the screen, check the link in the description down below. All that's left is to attach the rest of the handles, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe.